right, today we're going to look at this ApoloSign 10.1 inch tablet. The company did send this over and compensated me to make this video. Now this runs Android 13. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes into the box, and then we will talk about the tablet a little bit more. So this is the tablet right here. I'm going to go over that in just a second. It does come with its own power brick and its own power cable. So it's USB-A to USB-C. And then it comes with a full user guide instruction manual, which is going to go over everything from powering it on to troubleshooting it, all those types of things. Now it's really easy to set up and get it connected to the internet. I just signed in with my Gmail account and all that, and so it was easy to connect. So let's go ahead and first of all take a look at the actual device itself. So if I flip it up on this end here, you're going to see the power button here. You're going to see volume up and down. You have a headphone jack. Here's a camera on the back. We'll jump into the camera app and see what we think about that. Here's a TF card slot here. This is where you charge it on this end as well with that USB-C. And it's got speakers on this side over here. And I believe that is it for the outside. And it's got this nice little texture. So this is actually like a little textured material. Kind of reminds me of those old school binders that you put your stuff in. So it kind of gives you that same texture. And it's got a front-facing camera here as well. So let's go ahead and dive into it. And I'm just going to unlock this. So there you go. Now it comes preloaded with everything that you see here. So there's a bunch of Google things here. Here is the assistant. You got Google Chrome. You have your camera. You can swipe up and see all the calculator and Google Meet and settings and sound recorder. There's a Mirrorcast on here as well. So Mirrorcast is pretty cool. That is one of those things where you can cast that onto your TV using a different type of app or something like that. So that's a pretty cool setting, a pretty cool feature on there as well. So let's go ahead and try to jump into maybe like, let's see, we'll jump into Chrome, and then I think I can go to YouTube from there. And this is pretty fast. So this is a 4 gigabytes of RAM. So this is probably, probably not going to be like hardcore gaming, but as far as like web surfing and all those things, you're going to be able to jump in here pretty easily and go, and you can see how quick this is moving on a 5G network. So you can jump in here and see what this is doing. So I'm just kind of browsing around here and seeing if, searching stuff, see what I can find. So here's a video I made on my YouTube channel. So this all loads pretty quick.